Berberis X mentorensis is the mentor barberry. The mentor barberry is actually semi-evergreen. It's a hybrid between Berberis thunbergii, which is deciduous, and Berberis juliana, which is evergreen. So it has only a brief amount of deciduous time in the winter, and then the leaves come back fairly quickly. The leaf on the mentor barberry is actually spiny. So you have this, it's a simple alternate leaf. It also has a spur type growth like the Japanese barberry. So you have more of an elliptical shape, kind of a leathery texture to it, with very fine spines along the margin of the leaf. Then you also have spines at the node, usually 3 spines at the node. The plant itself is sort of an upright growing shrub, very dense. It's for full sun. It's denser in full sun. It can withstand a little shade, but will not be quite as dense. Up to 7 feet high and as wide. It's very good for a hedge, a barrier. You can leave it untrimmed or you can trim it into a hedge. It's real consistent in the coloration. The new growth is a little bit red, and then there's a yellowish orange-red coloration right before the leaf drops. The flower is very similar to the Japanese barberry, just these sort of drooping bell-shaped yellowish flowers in late spring. And then there's very seldom a fruit seen on this hybrid. Many times hybrid plants do not produce fruit, but occasionally you'll see a small red drupe similar to the Berberis thunbergii. This is a tough plant. It's very drought tolerant. It's very tolerant of heat. It will stay dense. It's used very well as a hedge or a barrier plant or a background planting to plants that may have more seasonal change.